All right, for number 14, we have BYOB Brew Fuego Chipotle Salsa. On the side it says, an all-natural delight of premium aged pepper, mash, and chipotle peppers. This recipe was given to Santa by BYOB on a business trip to southwestern Germany many years ago. All right, let's give this a nice smell. It smells very good. It's got a strong chipotle smell with a slight vinegary smell. It's not overly spicy, but it does have a really nice flavor of chipotle. It has a nice chipotle flavor, and it tastes slightly salty, but overall it is pretty good. Let's go ahead and check out the back of the box and find out what the ingredients are. All right here we have BYOB Brew Hot Sauce, distilled vinegar, aged cayenne and chipotle pepper, salt, caramel color, xanthan gum, and liquid smoke. Now, I didn't get a lot of smoky flavor either, but I could tell it was there. Now, overall, this is a very nice hot sauce. I wish it was a little bit smokier, but it was still pretty good. All right, thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow, and we are going to get into door number 15.